How's it going, guys? Welcome to the first episode, second episode of Tears on Us. Today I'm doing the flower challenge. If you don't know what the flower challenge is, the flower challenge is 1 tablespoon of flour. Now, as you can see, flour plain. So, sorry, I bite my fingernails. Really gross. That's gonna be in the comments. Now, see, look, nice little flour. I don't know what's gonna be so hard about it. Honestly, I just don't know. So I came to bed, got a glass of drink, and let's do this. Okay, that's enough. You ready? Can you see it? Tailspoon. I'm making bread. I'm making bread, Mommy. I'm making bread. Where's my jump? Oh God, gross. I didn't think it'd be that hard. I can't eat it because I don't have shiny bags. Oh my God, it's so gross. No, just near. Can you off? You can probably see, I don't know. Let me see if you can see. I spit in the camera a little bit. Look. That was hard to get out. The hardest part is cleaning. Okay. Now, what else was I gonna do? I wasn't just gonna eat it raw. Now I stick my head in the oven and cook the bread. Oven. That's not bread. Yeah, it's an oven. That's not bread, that's an apple. Post a dare challenge / below. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like to my channel and I'll smack this in my face. No, okay, just do it now. Alright, do it. Do it. No, seriously, don't be a dick. Do it. Nice man. Now. Oh, this is way harder than I thought. I put a dent in it. So I just... Oh, wow. Yeah. I've got if it comes in. That's not good. Hey guys, watch